passing the phone to a very dumb person.
I'm passing the phone to Joe, which is so DUMNPIG.
I'm passing the phone to someone that should shut his mouth.
I'm passing the phone to Joe that he should SHUT and then UP.
I'm passing the phone to a dumb person that does not even know 1 + 1.
I'm passing the phone to someone called Joe that he's so DUM, he doesn't know even what is 0 + 0 and 1 + 0.
I'm passing the phone to someone that should shut his mouth and go to hell.
Reverse.